Hey everybody, how's it going? Naderade here with a final update on the HVAC system. HVAC. Here is the thermostat. It's a Venstar. Stupid auto T1035. Turn that down. It's programmable, very basic. Show you the air handler down here. It's pretty powerful. There's the drain. Here's the new air handler. It's a carrier. See? Carrier. Model number is right there if it'll focus. Here we go. Model number. Turn autofocus back on. There's the old switch. Sorry if I'm sniffling, I'm still trying to get over a cold. Here's the new lines that they had to run. And there's the intake and exhaust they had to run. Show you the unit outside. Light off so we don't get an expensive electric bill. Nice day how it is. Slip my shoes on. Oops. Yeah, this is another story. Here it is. Yep. There's all that. What a nice day it is out here. Really nice day out. Damn trains. So yeah, that's just the final update on the HVAC system. So am I getting in the shot? Oh, I just totally ruining it. But final update on the HVAC. Sure works good. Now we just gotta wait till winter to see how well the heater works. Anyways, that's the last update on this. Talk to you later.